Today I'm replacing the alternator on a 2011 BMW X3. The alternator has already been replaced, but it's been replaced with the incorrect amperage alternator and it's setting faults. So we have to put the correct one in. First step, I already did this. Remove the power lead. This goes to the starter and the alternator. You have to just pull the nut off this and lift it up, and put a towel around it so it doesn't just so it doesn't arc while you're doing this. Then remove the engine cover. Just these 4 screws here, and you're going to want to get the airbox out of the way. So get the airbox out of the way. It just pushes onto these little grommets here. There's some at the bottom, and then this air hose. Take that clamp off and then push the hose back and undo the air mass meter sensor, and then pull this thing straight up out of there. So I'm going to do that stuff right now. Alright, now with that stuff removed, what you want to do is get the drive belt off. You just have to retract the tensioner a little bit. You use a Torx bit and you get it right there where I got it, and then you turn it clockwise, and then you can just pull the belt right off of the alternator. You can leave the rest of the belt kind of in place if you're just going to be reusing it, but if you're going to replace it, obviously you have to pull it off. But move that clockwise, pull the belt off. Alright, now you want to take this nut off here and pull the power lead off, and then the plug right underneath it, right there. Push in the little release tab and pull that off. Then all you have to do is remove these 4 inverted Torx bits or screws, and the thing pops right off. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, I removed it. Just pull those screws off and it comes right off. It's super easy to replace. Aluminum fasteners, you have to replace them every time. So I'm going to go get the new alternator, put it on, and get those screws tightened up, and start putting this back together. There's really not much need for me to show you how this goes back together, because it's actually a really nice, straightforward alternator job. So I'm just going to kind of leave it at that. Hope this helps. Thanks.